OpenAI, Google Anthropic, then Mistral, Deepseek, Qwen, Moonshot, ZLM. A new AI model seems to launch every week. It's look like everyone is just copying each other. But what if you are not watching a copycat race? What if you are watching the biggest digital land rush in history and everyone is racing to grab a different piece of the prize? It's easy to fall for the simple story, that one where everything is trying to build a better chat GPT. But let's decode that for a second. The giants, OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, are playing a game of pure money and power. It's $1 billion showdown. But the new players, they looked at the fight, said no thanks, and went to quietly buy up all the land around the stadium. That's the real game. First, you have what I call specialists. Companies like Mistral, Moonshot, and Deepseek. Their strategy is brilliant. They know they can't outspend the giants, so they outsmart them. They find a specialty, a specific valuable skill, and they master it. Moonshot with its massive memory, Deepseek with its incredible coding skills. They don't need to be best at everything, they just needed to be absolute best at one thing. It's not about winning the whole war, it's about winning a single battle so important that the world has come to you. Then you have the ecosystem players. This is master plan behind models like Qwen and ZLM. The goal is to be everywhere. They don't care if you ever visit their website. They want their models to be invisible AI inside every smartphone, every car, and every app in their market. They are not selling a product, they are selling the plumbing system for the entire digital economy. And they are giving it away to anyone who will build on top of it. So how do you compete if you are not a giant? You use a secret weapon, and for many players, that weapon is open source. Now open source look like a charity. Look at us, we are so generous. But let's decode the real move. Giving model away for free is a genius strategy that does three things. It's free R&D. You get a global army of developers to test, break, and improve your tech for you. It's a free marketing. You build a whole community that promotes your brand. It's a strategic trap. You position yourself as an open, friendly alternative to the big closed-off giants. It's not a charity. It's a brilliant, calculated move. Let's decode the final play. The end game for all of them is to become like electricity. Don't think about the power company when you flip a switch. The light just turns on. These companies are spending millions now so their AI can be that invisible, necessary force like electricity. They want to be the foundation. The company that becomes the foundation does not need to have the best product. They just need it to be the product everyone uses without thinking. They win by becoming essential. So the next time you see another model launch, don't get lost in the hype. Ask the better question. What piece of puzzle is this one trying to grab? This isn't a race to create a best chatbot. It's a cold calculator land rush. And we are living on the property they are fighting over. This is what we decode here. We decode the hidden war for the future. If you want to understand the next move in the global game, make sure you have subscribed. Now we want to hear from you. Which strategy is smarter? Being the best specialist or building a whole ecosystem? Let's discuss it in the comments.